Video ko na.
No, kuan man taani.
May pagkaon mo na to. Tagayan na.
Let us acknowledge the presence of our coordinating principal, Dr. Ali C. Raganas, our parish priest, Reverend Father Manuel Pantoliana, our federated PT official, Mr. Ruben Ungab, our PT President of Sikatuna Central, Mr. Apollo Simbrano, our Sikatuna National High School Principal, Mrs. Concordia A. Sumampong, our Central Principal, Mr. Clemente P. Intong Jr., Abukay Elementary School Principal, Mrs. Melina Espinosa, Camboc Sur Elementary School Principal, Mrs. Publia A. Lumantas, our Religion Facilitator, Mrs. Josephine Eliorimo.
Ano ba ni mag-push? Ano ba?
And now, with class salutatorian Jocelyn L. Kalimpusan will give her words of welcome. Let us welcome her with a round of applause.
Stop sa ba? Pero pa dayon. Ano siya? Stop. Pero, sumpay lang yapok siya. Magiwawan na ba na? Anak ni kagawad.
To our school administrators, Dr. Ali C. Raganas, Mr. Clemente Intong Jr., Mrs. Melina B. Espinosa, Mrs. Publia A. Lumantas, and Mrs. Concordia A. Sumampong, Parish Priest Reverend Father Manuel Pantoliana, teachers, dear parents, fellow graduating pupils, schoolmates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today,